Okay, good evening, everyone. Good to see everyone here. Good evening. Can you hear me? Type in the chat box. Hi, Grace, Pupin, Jeff, Ming Seng, George, Andy, Belinda, Gerald. Hi, good to see everyone here. Welcome to today's MEE. Today event is open to the public, so we will have the public here with us. Right now, we have about 299 of you, 300 of you coming in. I think later we will have maybe 600-700 people usually. Okay, so let's get started. Whatever I share with you today is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Type yes if you understand. Our public can also type yes if you understand. Okay, so very quickly, I will just go through the markets and then later we'll go through maybe some stocks first. Okay, so let's go to S&P 500 first for long term. Okay, long term charts, weekly charts. This is the weekly chart for S&P 500. So can you tell me what is the trend for long term for S&P 500? Up, down, or sideways, or don't know anything yet. Okay, so I think for the long term, right now, S&P 500 is still stay away. Okay, don't buy yet. Okay, stay away, don't buy yet. Okay, so if you see that we have previously we have the candlestick turn rate from here all the way to here. There was a candlestick turn rate, and then right now candlestick after turn rate already blue, then after turn rate right now I will see that the price resistance is around here. Okay, 5,780. I feel that we are not out of the woods for long term. Okay, not out of the woods yet. Okay, type yes if you understand. So if you are long term, we are not out of the woods yet. Maybe we will go to a sideways trend. Okay, but is that if let's say you're long term already, previously you're long term already, you should exit already. Okay, so now position daily charts. Over here we have the candlestick turn rate. Okay, to ask you to exit, and then over here it turned back to blue. Okay, turn back to blue. How many of y'all saw this turn to blue? Type blue if y'all saw this turn to blue. I also mentioned this in the Facebook group also. When the Nasdaq turned to blue, I also informed you, hey, don't, at least you're short, you should not do any short right now. Yeah. So I turn to blue right now, and you can see over here, even though it's blue, the teeth is not there yet. Okay, telling us right now that the market is still uncertain. 3 to 9 months is still uncertain. 1 year already get out. 3 to 9 months is question mark. Don't trade. Okay, don't long, don't short, wait and see. Okay, type clear if you are clear. Next, for the one month trade, weekly swing, 1 month trade. Okay, for 1 month trade, you can see from here the 2 MAs, 20-40 MA has went up previously, and then right now it's almost crossing. Okay, price is still below the 2 MA. The price is still here below the 2 MA, and the 2 MA is almost crossing. The last time when it crossed over here, the price came downwards. We're not going to anticipate whether the price later will cross or whether the MA will cross and stop downwards. But at this moment, based on available data, the 20 MA is sloping down. Okay, just like over here, 20 MA is sloping down, and the 40 MA is already flat. Just like over here, 48 MA is already flat. Okay, so this view will change. This bearish view monthly chart will change if the price managed to go above the 2 MA. If it's still below the 2 MA and maintain below 2 MA, the 2 MA will start to slope downwards. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so if the price remain here, the 2 MA will start to slope downwards, something like that. Okay, so bottom line is 1 month trade. Right now, no trade. Okay, no trade. Later part, when the price go back into the MA like this or like this, then you can do a short trade. For right now, stay out. Okay, last one for daily chart, 1 week trade. Okay, this is very short term trading. 1 week trade. The price very quickly went past my 40 MA. Yes or no? Can y'all see from here, it went past my 40 MA, telling us here's the thing, no shorting also. Okay, previously there was short here, there was a short here. Right now, because it went past the 40 MA, no short too. Okay, so what we have done, we have applied what we learned in the few days class. How many of you are new? Like last weekend, you just finished the class. Type new if you are new. What I've done right now is to apply the things, the 4 strategy into real time, real life charts. And for the SMT graduates who have been me for years, do you agree that we do this weekly and follow through on the trade on different time frame? Type yes if you agree. That means on a weekly basis, I will still go through the different time frame, whether it's bullish or bearish, we'll go through so that you know on that time frame that I'm trading on, what should I do? Okay, so that is the conclusion right now. So more or less the conclusion right now is wait and see. Whether it's trading short term, whether it's investing long term, wait and see. Got it? That yes, if you understand. Wait and see is also a position. Wait and see is also a position. Okay, following week, let's give some scenario. Okay, let's do some scenario. One of the scenario is, let's say example right now, on the 2040 MA is like this. If the price remain above here, then what will happen to this 2 MA? This 2 MA will start to turn up again. But the price must remain here, I think, at least for the next 2-3 weeks before the 2 MA can turn up again. Do you understand? So your swing trade buy setup on swing daily will take at least 2-3 weeks to fulfill. Got it? So even right now, if it got drop, there is no buy signal. Go up, there's no buy signal right now. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So can we long right now? No, cannot long. Okay, so must wait for the what? The 2 MA to turn down, the turn up. Yes or no? The price don't have your 5 things that you learned last week. I believe JJ is new student. Do you all agree or not? That yes, new student, do you agree? The 5 points that we talk about does not fulfill your 5 criteria. Does not. Okay. Okay. So if not, we go to the next one. We go to Nasdaq. That good if you all understand based on a different time frame what to do. Okay, good. Next one, we will go to Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is quite similar. Okay, quite similar. We have the long term over here also not yet. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, the candlestick haven't turned that to blue. Previously was blue to red. You enter here, you exit here, you lock in about 60% returns. Since then, after the candlestick turned red already, even right now, there is no entry. That yes, if you understand. Okay, there's no entry. Next, daily chart. Also same thing, you have covered your short. If you have shorted, maybe not because the long term is still bullish then. You have not shorted. So right now, 3 to 9 months still do nothing. Okay, weekly charts, weekly swing. Weekly swing, the price is still here. Okay, so by now, I hope you all can understand that even though 3 prices the same at 20,000, this price, this price, this price, and this price tell you different things. That yes, by now, if you understand what I mean by tell you different things, like when the price is here at 20,000, and when the price is here at 20,000, or when the price is here at 20,000, Nasdaq is a different thing. What you need to do is different. Agree or not? Okay, so by using a chart, you can know what to do. Okay. By the way, those public, can you please like and share the post? If you're first time listening to us, please like and share the post. Okay. Then last one, we go to daily chart. Daily chart also do nothing. Okay. So basically, the price is here. The MA are not going up. You need to wait for the price to remain above here. Then my 2 MA eventually can turn up. I think need to wait at least 2-3 weeks if the price remain above here. Okay, if not, then we can look for other setup later. Got it? That clear? If you are clear. So guys, at this point, don't be too lopsided to bullish or bearish. Don't need to be eager to go in right now. Okay, don't need. Okay, done ready. That yes, if you understand, we go to HSI. Any question if you don't understand? Okay, good. So we go to HSI. Hang Seng Index is a bit different. Long-term chart is still bullish. That bullish, if you can see, weekly chart. Okay, Hang Seng Index is still bullish. Okay, still bullish. This candlestick is still blue compared to the US market is all red. This is still blue even with the recent correction. Okay, the daily chart is turned to red. Okay, that means if you have entered previously over here, you could have exited, but haven't. The next thing you want to do again is to buy again. Yes or no? Because we have the mode still bullish. If the arrow with tip come out, there will still be a valid buy signal. Agree? Or still be valid buy signal. So look out for that. Okay, next one, weekly chart. Weekly chart, we have the long-term chart. Okay, we have the 2040 MA setup over here. Hit the MA, and as you see below 100, there was a trigger over here. Okay, there was a trigger over here. Now we are 3 weeks in the trade. Right now, cannot buy. Previously, 3 weeks ago, there is a trade setup. But yes, if you can see the setup. Okay, I believe a lot of you can see the setup. Good. Okay, last one, daily swing. Daily swing, it is no trade yet, but there is a what? What kind of trade setup? There is a short-term swing short setup. Okay, short-term swing short setup, which is a trigger below here, 1 week trade. If the price go below here, you may want to go short-term short setup, short-term short. Okay, that means 1 week trade. Okay. Any question? Any question on the markets? If not, we go to STI index. Public can also ask question if you have any question on the public. Okay. Previously, for the public STI, I mentioned to take profit. How many of y'all took some profit when the price was around here? Type profit. If you all took some profit when the price was around here, beginning of this year, things like that. Anybody? Nobody, yeah. Okay, never mind. Okay, so I did mention to exit. Okay, I did mention to exit because we were at the higher part of the range already. Yes or no? Higher part of the range already. Took some profit. Right now, price come back down. Okay, here it's not really a buy. Okay, but at this point, I wouldn't buy. Okay, because on the long-term band, it is still not cheap. Can you see that? Okay, so this is not trader GPS. This is basically a long-term trend. Wait for price to be below here. It's not here. Okay, so it is still expensive. Okay, clear? Type yes if you understand for STI. Okay, if not, then let's do this. Okay, let's do this, a bit of training again. Okay, how many of y'all here know about candlesticks? Type me if you know about candlesticks. Last weekend, I just share a little bit with my children about candlesticks. Okay, I'm surprised that not a lot of people know. How many don't know? Type not me if you don't know. Not me if you don't know. How many me? How many not me? The 600 of you all. Okay, so many not me. Some me, some not me. Okay, so I'll just share with you some context. Okay, some context of reading charts. This is helpful. This is helpful when you want to know the short-term movement of a chart. Okay, want to do a short-term movement of a chart. Okay, I'm asking someone to do a series on TA. Okay, and after you done a series of TA, you put up in the members area. Okay, so this is a very qualified person who is doing the series right now. Next week he's doing the MEE also. Okay, his name is Manish, and he'll be doing a series on TA. But today I want to just very quickly go through some of the things you can get, kind of the things you can learn from TA, from candlesticks. Okay, for those that are new, you can listen up. For those that are experienced, maybe it can give you some distinction, okay, on price. Okay, so by now you all would know that bearish and bullish candlestick. Type yes if you know. Type no if you forgot what is bullish and bearish candlesticks. Okay, quite a lot of you all know. In general, bearish candlestick, what it means is open high, close low. Okay, this is bearish. Open high, close low. This is bearish. Okay, open high. So you can see from here, price generally candlestick down. Open high, close low. Open high, close low. So on this day, what happened? On this day, what happened is the price went gap down, open low, and then went above here, close high. This is a bullish candlestick. Okay, can you all see the reversal? Can you all see that the price stopped going downwards? Type yes if you can see. Okay, that means the price was moving from here to here, here to here, here to here. Here took a pause, but tried to go up, but finally go down again, and then went to here, and then went up. Oh, went to here, went up. Here went up first, came back down, then went down, came back up, went down, came back up. So right now, based on this movement, price going down, going up, going down, going up, going down, going up. What is likely, you guess, okay? What is likely to be the next chart? Up or down? Up, okay? But the upward movement, the candle, do you think is longer than this or shorter than this? Shorter, okay. The movement, the space that it moved up is the amount of ground that it conquered. Take away this slide is the bullish bull fighting the bears. So it conquer more ground. This is Nasdaq 100. Okay, conquer more ground. It conquer more ground. It conquer more ground. And over here, can y'all see that compared to 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, the ground it conquered has reduced. That yes, if you understand. So this can tell me a little bit, plus other things that you learn, moving indicators and things like that, can tell me about the next 1 or 2 candles. Okay, usually candlestick is not used. It's not used. That means I look at this candlestick. I will not know the next 20 candlesticks what's going to happen. If somebody tell you that, oh, from this candlestick I can know what the next 20 candlesticks is going to be like, likely it's bullshit. Okay, the candlestick pattern usually is let you know the next 1 or 2 or 3 candlestick. That's all. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's a very short-term kind of read of the market. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so other things can help to add on. Other things can help to add on is right now the market is overbought. Yes or no? It's overbought. So it is overbought. What does overbought means? Overbought, that means the chances of it continue to go at this speed is slowing down. The momentum is slowing down. Yes or no? Okay, and then it's already overbought. Okay, so whenever it's overbought, you need to be more careful. Yes or no? Got it? That yes, if it makes sense. Same thing for oversold. So if you combine this with something we learned, like example over here, this is coming down, coming down, coming down. That yes, if you understand. From here goes down, from here goes down, from here goes down, from here go down, from here go down. From here, what happened? It went below first, then it went up. Can you all see that this is a reversal candle? That yes, if you can see that. That means open low, close high, bullish candlestick. Okay, CCI was low and then previously was high, went to low. On top of that, the following week, it went above the high of the previous candle. That yes, if you understand. Okay, so that's, then after that, conquer momentum again, then slow down again. Can you see the slowdown? That yes, if you can see the slowdown. Okay, and then come back down. Okay, so with this, you can give you some guess in the next few candles. Got it? That yes, if you understand. Any question if you don't understand? Okay, all this, right, guys, is to give your edge, okay, edge over the market. Okay, plus all your other tools that you have, your indicators, your CCI, your moving average that you have, then it gives you a clearer view. Got it? Does it give you a clearer view? Okay, let's go to daily chart. Daily chart also the same. Daily chart also the same. Okay, so the same concept applied. The same concept applied. The only thing to watch out is for shorter the time frame, noisier the chart. That noisy, if you understand. The smaller the time frame, the noisier the chart. You can go to a 1 hour chart, 15-minute chart, it gets noisier. Okay, in the bigger time frame, less noisy. Okay. So right now, what can we learn about the last few days? In some short point form, what can you learn about the last few days? Not uptrend, not uptrend. Okay, what can you learn about the last few days? That was story. Story is what? The story is a price went to here. Price went to here. It was rejected. Can you all see that? That yes, if you can see that. Went to here, it rejected. And then price very easily cut through my MA. That yes, you can see that very easily cut through my, and there was no pause. Just I go through and took a pause here, built some momentum and continue to go higher. Got it? So on the daily chart right now, it is like that. So question, with this thing in mind, where is the likely support right now? Even if you don't have MA, where is the rough support right now? Okay, I give you a choice. Support, is it here, here, the most immediate support, here or here? Where is the most immediate support? 1, 2, 3, 4. Most immediate one. Most immediate one. Most immediate one, nearest one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is the nearest? Closest one. 4, okay? 4 is the closest support. Why do you say 4? Why do you all say 4? Number 1, we have what? 40 MA, very good. What else? Previously is where it stopped. Can you all see that? That yes, if you understand, previously is where it stopped. Pause and then continue. Can you all see that? So it will come back to the pause area. Okay, this is on daily chart. Any question? That's good if you understand. Okay, so same thing, same idea over here. If we look into the weekly chart right now, what can you tell about the market weekly chart right now? Okay, we start from here. The price very easily cut through my 40 MA, 20 and 40 MA. That yes, if you understand, took a pause over here and decided to go down further. That yes, if you understand, and then market reverse quickly, and now it's back to around here. Okay, back to around here. So is the price right now hitting some sort of resistance? Type yes if you think it is. Type no if you think no lah. Sky is the limit right now. The answer is yes. Okay, the price is hitting some kind of resistance. How can I know? Okay, how can I know? You can go to here and you can look at previous resistance. Okay, previous resistance can be here. Okay, can be support, resistance, resistance. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like yes, if you understand. Price where it gather. Okay. By the way, it's not a one line, it's a zone. Okay, so you can see right now around this area there is resistance. Okay, where is the area that no resistance? Let's say example, if it clear this high, go higher, then there's no resistance. Got it? Okay, that's how we know that. Okay, and then if price move very quickly, okay, when price move very quickly, like example like this, okay, there is a resistance here, and then price move very quickly. Can you see that? Then after that, once it clear all-time high, no resistance. Yes or no? If not, then you present some kind of resistance until there's no resistance. Same thing for support. Okay, this is just a short training of candlestick, support, resistance, moving average, put everything together to help you all have a better feel of the market. But bottom line is like that. If you don't know what to do, the best way is to what? If you don't know what to do, the best way is to 3 letters. The best way is to what? FTS, follow the system. Okay, no need to learn support, resistance, candlestick, get out, here buy, here buy. Yes or no? Very easy. Okay. Okay, if not, let's say bye to the public. Thanks everyone for joining us. For those people in public, if you are interested to join us to become part of our SMT communities, SMT, where we go through a weekly webinar with our graduates. Type in the graduates, can you type in the years that you join me? Which year do you join me? Which year do you join me? Okay, 2024. See who is the oldest one. Okay, 2022, 2021, 2025, 2020. Year 2001. What? Jun Qing Bang. Okay, 2000. That is 2000. Are you sure not? Okay, but okay. Typo is it? Okay, 2020, 2025. 2020 batch 100 pre-COVID. Okay, pre-COVID. 2020, 2012. Okay, B I know here. 2012 13年. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. So for those that want to join us, come and join us. Okay, to be part of this community. We are not the best community. Okay, I don't claim to be the best, but I would say that we are a community that do weekly webinars with our graduates after you graduate. Yes or not? Okay. Who knows what's the best? Okay, but I think what we want to do is really to be a community that add value and help the people in the community to get out of the rat race. Okay, so that's the idea. Okay, so for those that want to join us, you can go to this website. Okay, CollinSeow.com/SWP. I want to share with you all one thing. Even for graduates, I'll share with you all one thing. Okay, which actually a lot of people don't bother to think. Which is a fact. That actually when I listen to the election, then I realized that if you just keep working for money, you will never get out of the rat race. Do you all follow what I'm saying? For public, I'm talking about it. But you all agree not? If you just keep working, your income can never, your growth of your income can never outpace the inflation. Never. Even you put your money in the bank, it can never grow faster than inflation. So you almost 100% guaranteed, if you save money and put the money in the bank, you will end up losing money for sure. Okay, so we really need to invest and put our money in assets. Okay, but you also need to invest in yourself. You also need to understand how to invest, so they put in growing assets. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So for SMT community, we have done this for about 17, 18 years. Right now, we have like more than 6,500 graduates who went through this training with us. Right now, at the moment, we have like 700 people are watching our live webinar, and every week. Okay, not every week lah. Sometimes away. I don't do weekly webinar, but nowadays I'm doing succession planning. Like next week, Gerard Manish is going to do the weekly webinar with you all. I do my best to do it every week. Okay, so I add value to you all for life. Okay, so if you all like something like this, you want to join us, then go to this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay, guys, do me a favor, type in SMT if you recommend SMT to people who don't know about SMT. Thank you, Grace, Kim Yan, Jin Hai, Amy, Kemi. Okay, so a lot lah. And they got no incentive for you all to join also lah. They just maybe want more friends. So, okay, guys, if not, then say bye to the public, and then we will do our special meeting now. Okay.